This video is going to be super quick. I'm going to show you how to use CSIpix and Microsoft Word to save your work to a standard template that you can print or add to a report. And it'll end up looking something like this. I just started in Word, and what I did was start a new document, turn the page so that it's in landscape. I inserted a 3-row by 2-column table, and then I added this text. I inserted our logo, but of course you would insert your logo. I'll take these out and just start over. So when you get your side-by-side looking nice in CSIpix, you can just go Edit, Copy to Clipboard, Left View, go back to your Word document, and I do Control V, which is Paste. You can also right-click and pick Paste. Click on the image. You need to go to this thing here for layout options and say in front of text. So now you can move it around freely. And I'm going to resize it so that it just fits in here. I'll go back to CSIpix and say Edit, Copy to Clipboard, Right View. Go back and just go Control V and make it movable, line it up. And there you go. If anyone wants this actual template that I did up, just email me. Okay, thanks for watching.